If you want to stop the auto-renewal feature on your TripAdvisor account, follow these simple steps to ensure you manage your subscription effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the TripAdvisor website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you are using the account associated with the subscription you want to manage. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page, often under your profile name or icon. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Billing. Click on this to view your current subscription details and renewal settings. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. Within the subscription details, locate the option for auto-renewal. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Make sure to confirm any prompts that appear to finalize your decision. Step 5. Check confirmation. After disabling auto-renewal, check for a confirmation message or email from TripAdvisor. This will ensure that your changes have been successfully processed and that you will not be charged for the next billing cycle. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your TripAdvisor subscription and prevent any unwanted charges in the future.